The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, has long been a source of fascination and terror for many. Its reputation for mysterious disappearances has been the subject of countless debates, speculations, and investigations. Among the many unexplained incidents that have occurred within this infamous triangle, one case stands out as the most baffling and intriguing: the disappearance of the USS Cyclops. This maritime mystery has been shrouded in secrecy and speculation for nearly a century, and it remains one of the greatest unsolved enigmas in the history of the United States Navy. The USS Cyclops was a Proteus-class collier, a type of ship designed to carry coal and supplies for the naval fleet. Commissioned in 1910, the Cyclops had a long and distinguished career, serving in both World War I and the years that followed. With a crew of 306 men, the ship was a stalwart and reliable vessel, known for its endurance and strength. But on its final voyage, something went terribly wrong. The Cyclops set sail from Rio de Janeiro, bound for Baltimore, on 16 February 1918. It was never seen or heard from again. As the days passed, concern grew among naval authorities and the families of the crew. The Cyclops was expected to arrive in Baltimore on 4th March, but it failed to appear. A search and rescue operation was launched, with ships and aircraft scouring the area where the Cyclops was last seen. But despite the efforts of the U.S. Navy and other organizations, no sign of the ship or its crew was ever found. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops was a complete and utter mystery, with no explanation or evidence to shed light on what had happened. Over the years, numerous theories have been put forward to explain the disappearance of the USS Cyclops. Some have suggested that the ship was sunk by a German U-boat, while others believe that it was the victim of a freak storm or a catastrophic accident. Some have even proposed that the Cyclops was swallowed up by a massive underwater vortex or a black hole in the ocean. But despite the many theories and speculations, the truth remains a mystery. The U.S. Navy has officially listed the cause of the disappearance as unknown, and the case remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the history of the Navy. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops is often linked to the Bermuda Triangle, a region of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous aircraft and ships are said to have vanished under mysterious circumstances. The Bermuda Triangle is a place of strange and unexplained phenomena, where the rules of reality seem to bend and warp. Many believe that the triangle is home to supernatural or paranormal forces, which can cause ships and planes to disappear without warning. While the exact boundaries of the Bermuda Triangle are not well defined, the USS Cyclops is often cited as one of the most compelling examples of the triangle's mysterious power. In the years following the disappearance of the USS Cyclops, the U.S. Navy conducted a series of investigations and inquiries. But despite the efforts of naval authorities, the truth about the Cyclops remains shrouded in mystery. Some have suggested that the Navy may have covered up the true circumstances of the disappearance, possibly to avoid embarrassment or to conceal sensitive information. Others believe that the Navy may have been unaware of the full extent of the circumstances surrounding the disappearance, and that the truth may still be hidden in classified documents or secret archives. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops was not just a maritime mystery, it was also a human tragedy. The crew of 306 men who sailed on the Cyclops were husbands, fathers, sons, and brothers, with families and loved ones who were left behind to wonder what had happened to them. The loss of the Cyclops was a devastating blow to the families of the crew, who were left to pick up the pieces and try to make sense of the senseless. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops is a reminder of the human cost of war and the risks that sailors and ships take when they venture into the unknown. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops has become a part of maritime folklore, a cautionary tale about the dangers of the sea and the mysteries that lie beneath the surface. The Cyclops has been the subject of numerous books, articles, and documentaries, and its legend continues to fascinate and terrify people to this day. The USS Cyclops is a reminder that the ocean is a powerful and unpredictable force, and that even the most advanced technology and the best-trained crews can fall victim to its fury. The legacy of the USS Cyclops serves as a warning to all who venture into the unknown, and a reminder of the enduring power of the sea. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops remains one of the greatest maritime mysteries of all time, a reminder of the enduring power of the sea and the limitations of human knowledge. Despite the many theories and speculations, the truth about the Cyclops remains a mystery, a secret that the ocean has kept hidden for nearly a century. The story of the USS Cyclops is a testament to the enduring fascination of the unknown, and a reminder that some secrets may be forever lost at sea. The abyss remains, a vast and mysterious expanse of water that continues to inspire and terrify us, and the USS Cyclops will always be a part of its dark and fascinating history.